Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to select multiple images at once in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I select multiple image at once. At first, you have to go insert menu. Now you can see here are drawing option. Click this drawing option and select new. Now you can see here are windows like this. Now insert image here. Now resize this image to fit there are multiple image. Now again go to image option and insert another image. Now wait some moment. Again resize this image. Again go to image option and insert another image. Now open. Now wait some moment. Now I insert another image. Now I select this multiple image at once. First select this image and press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Now you can see I select multiple image at once in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.